Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to activate DBS credit card. Now, based on the information available, DBS provides several convenient methods for activating your credit card, and we're going to be looking at a possible SMS activation method. There is some information indicating that DBS may also provide SMS activation. If this option is available, you will typically have to open your phone's messaging app, compose a new message with the activation code provided with your credit card, send a message to the specified DBS number, wait for a confirmation, and wait for a confirmation message. It's as simple as that. It's important to note that for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions, it's always best to refer to the official DBS website or contact DBS customer service directly, because the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your location and the specific type of DBS credit card you have. Always ensure you are using official DBS channels to protect your personal information. I hope this information is helpful. See you in the next video. Bye for now.